today we're going to talk about the WordPress Admin Toolbar. The WordPress Admin Toolbar is this bar right here on the top of the page. As you can see, it runs across the entire width of the page, and it has several buttons or icons or tabs or also links. The first of which is the one that has the WordPress icon. When you mouse over it, you'll see links for About WordPress, WordPress.org, documentation, support forums, just in case you need to learn more how to use WordPress or how you can enhance WordPress, and of course, feedback for the developers. The next tab or link or icon here is labeled as WordPress. When you mouse over it, it has this visit site link. Now you can use this visit site link here to view the front end of your website. When we say front end, this is your web page or blog page that is being seen by anyone who can access your website. Next, we have the plugin updates tab or link or icon. It shows you how many plugins you need to update or how many updates are there available for your plugins. The next tab or icon is for the comments. So now it shows 0, but if there are comments that are awaiting moderation or needs to be approved or deleted by you, of course, the user, it will show up here. The next one is very useful. It is for making new posts, media, page, or user. So it's a shortcut just in case you're doing something on some other parts of your WordPress site or blog, and then you just suddenly decide to make a new post. You can use this in addition to the left side menu. As you can see in the menu, you also have those links. We also have a link or a tab or an icon for Mojo Marketplace. So you can get new themes, new Mojo themes, and of course new Mojo services via this link or tab. We also have a delete cache tab. And the last one, which is on the right corner, is for your log out. When you mouse over this, you'll see your name. You can edit your profile, and you can also use this link or tab to access the logout link.